Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create a super aesthetic neon effect on your photo using Hypic. It's quick, simple, and looks amazing. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Hypic and then import the photo. Just tap on all photos and then choose your photos like this. And once your photo is loaded, we will start adjusting the base image. Just go to adjust and then choose signs and then drag it all the way to the left maximum like this, and then reduce the brightness until you get a darker mood, for example like this, and then just go to export and then just go to exposure, lower it about 30 like this, and then go to contrast, increase it to 30 for a stronger look, for example like this. This will set up the background for the neon effects. Now just go to overlay, this one, just tap on it, and then just import the same photo, and then choose on auto select. This will automatically cut out the main object from the background. Just checklist, and then just resize and position it so it matches exactly with the first photo underneath. And then with cutout object selected, just go to adjust in here, and then go to exposure, increase it to the maximum, and then saturations, just adjust it all the way down like this, and then lower the vibrance like this, and then structure, set it to maximum, and then go to 10, increase it to maximum like this, and then temperature, increase it to, and then sign, set it to the maximum. Like this. Now your subject will glow like a neon light, and then just tap on background layer and then go to effects, and then choose blur and then choose film blur like this, and then adjust the intensity depending on how soft or dreamy that you want to background to look like this. And for the final touch, just go to filters and then choose scenery and then choose Kyoto, and then just adjust as you like. I will adjust it to maximum like this. This will give the photo a cool neon atmosphere, perfect for the glowing effects. And then when you're done, just tap on export. And okay, that's it. Your photo now has a stunning neon effect made entirely in Hypic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.